Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your data and your team for the removal process. Export all tickets, contacts, and attachments as CSV or JSON files. Verify exports include custom fields and timestamps for accurate records. Notify your team and schedule a short downtime window to avoid disrupted workflows. Audit linked systems like CRM, billing, and Form 1099 integrations so you can detach them first. Confirm automated workflows and webhooks are documented before you proceed with disabling the app. Next, systematically disable integrations and automations tied to the app. Turn off workflow automations, webhooks, and scheduled exports so they stop processing data. Revoke API keys and remove OAuth permissions granted to the support app across systems. Disconnect the app from your CRM and billing systems to prevent future callbacks. Archive the exported data in secure storage, such as encrypted S3 buckets or a local encrypted backup. Also create checksums for exported files to verify integrity after the transfer completes. Finally, uninstall the customer support app from your platform following provider instructions. Confirm the app no longer appears in integrations, app lists, or marketplace pages. If regulations or policies require, delete the app data from hosting and databases or apply retention holds. Verify that Form 1099 or billing records remain intact for the fiscal year and map them to new accounts. Test customer workflows and incoming ticket routing to ensure your replacement system handles messages correctly. Document the removal steps and update team runbooks for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.